Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI. We're breaking down the top 10 AI courses for beginners. Whether you're just curious about AI or want to build a career in this exciting field, these courses are the perfect place to start. So, stick around and let's get you started on your AI journey. First up, we have Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by IBM. This course gives you a solid foundation in AI, covering everything from the basics to some pretty cool advanced concepts. You'll learn about things like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience to get started. They break down complex topics into easy-to-understand modules. It's a great option if you're looking for a comprehensive and well-structured course from a trusted institution. If you're looking for something a little less technical, AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng is the perfect choice. He breaks down complex AI concepts into super simple terms that anyone can understand, even if you've never coded a day in your life. You'll learn about the real-world applications of AI and how AI is changing various industries. This is for you if you're a business professional, a student, or just someone who wants to understand the buzz around AI. Now, if you're ready to get your hands dirty with some actual code, Machine Learning by Stanford University is an absolute must. This course, also taught by the legend Andrew Ng, dives deep into the world of machine learning. You'll learn about algorithms, datasets, and all the good stuff that goes into building intelligent systems. You'll have a solid understanding of machine learning concepts and be able to apply them to real-world problems. Next up is the Deep Learning specialization on Coursera. You'll go deep into neural networks, convolutional networks, recurrent networks, and all sorts of other cool stuff. This specialization is taught by industry experts and covers everything from the fundamentals to cutting-edge techniques. If you're serious about mastering deep learning, this is the specialization for you. For those who prefer a more conceptual and philosophical approach to AI, Artificial Intelligence: A Guide for Thinking. Humans by Melanie Mitchell is a must-read. Mitchell combines AI theory with practical applications and real-world examples to give you a comprehensive understanding of this complex field. Now, let's talk accessibility. Elements of AI by the University of Helsinki is a fantastic free course that aims to make AI education available to everyone. This course covers the basics of AI in a fun and engaging way, with interactive exercises and real-world examples. If you're ready to get your hands dirty with some coding, AI Programming with Python by Udemy is an excellent choice. This hands-on course teaches you how to program AI using Python, one of the most popular programming languages for AI development. You'll learn about libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and you'll get to build your own AI models. Now, for all the robotics enthusiasts out there, Artificial Intelligence for Robotics by Georgia Tech is a must-take. This course focuses on applying AI techniques to robotics, and you'll learn how to build robots that can see, think, and act autonomously. You'll cover topics like computer vision, motion planning, and robot control. Moving on, we have AI Foundations for Everyone on LinkedIn Learning. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to understand how AI is being used in various industries. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how AI is changing the world around us. And finally, we have Introduction to TensorFlow for Artificial Intelligence on Coursera. TensorFlow is one of the most popular open-source libraries for AI development, and this course teaches you the ins and outs of using it. You'll learn how to build and train your own AI models using TensorFlow. And there you have it. The top 10 AI courses for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, these courses are sure to help you on your AI journey. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing, so choose a course that interests you, dive in, and start building something amazing. The future of AI is bright, and with the right knowledge and skills, you can be a part of it. See you in the next video.